आज अनबॉक्सिंग होगा टाटा स्टील। लेट्स सी। टाटा स्टील का एक पैकेज आया है। तो आई रिसेंटली परचेज सम आइटम्स फ्रॉम टाटा स्टील, तो दे हैव सेंट मी अ पैकेज। लेट्स सी ये क्या है। रिटन बाय टाटा स्टील रिटन ओवर हियर। तो ये है ये पैकेज। So as you can see, Tata Steel लिखा है, Tata Steel is written here, and oh, it's mentioned here. What is this? Golden Homes. कुछ cookware item लग रहा है. So let's go ahead and check it out. I got a call actually from them, and I told some cookware set. So, but I did not know what exactly it is. So Golden Homes written over here, and as you can see, Tata Steel Golden Homes लिखा हुआ है, and just says congratulations, and then I believe it's a letter. So it's a pleasure to have you as a part of the Tata Tiscon family. So it's a congratulations letter. After that, let's go to the main product. Quite big, and let's open it up. How it is. Removing the plastic. Oh, steel casserole, if I am not wrong. So 2 pieces of steel casserole, one here, and then the other one will be this 2 casserole. So over here it is mentioned Tata Tiscon 550D. So they're branding Tata Tiscon. So 2 sets of Tata Steel casserole, you can say, quite big and quite heavy. Nothing much inside, it's just empty now, nothing much. So thank you.